Today we're going to be unboxing 2 of the Sterling Forever Mystery Advent Calendars. These are the 5-piece ones, and they are absolutely beautifully packaged in these really hard, really thick boxes, and they have the different doors you can open up.
So I got the gold version, I think with cubic zirconia. I don't know actually, because there were other choices.
There was gold and silver, then they had polished or cubic zirconia. So I think you did gold cubic zirconia. I did the silver cubic zirconia.
Probably. But yeah, we're really blown away by the quality of the products, and it's just fun even to just open up, you know.
And you pull out the drawers, and they each come with
like
a nice little dust bag.
Let's first do the number 1. So yeah,
each
dust bag
and like an earring.
This is the gold earrings that you got.
Those are really pretty.
It's 14 karat gold plated. It is very pretty.
These are rhodium plated, and they have little stones. They're just really pretty. I've worn them a few times. And all the pieces from Sterling Forever have a lifetime guarantee and warranty, and they're not supposed to oxidize or tarnish. They're supposed to be waterproof, life-proof, and if you have any issues, they're supposed to, you know, replace it.
For the number 2, we got another set of earrings. Maybe we'll do like photos of the stuff, the pieces on.
See, my number 2 was a necklace.
Okay, this one's 14 karat gold plated little hoops.
Ooh, and is that
got
some
these
sort of like blue stone on it?
A blue stone. Very pretty, dainty, not very big.
Again, I had another rhodium plated piece. I feel like this is so pretty because it's the bright silver. It's not that dark.
Let me see it.
Kind of.
Right, yeah, not like a gunmetal.
And so it's a really pretty, it's got these really dainty little pave stones, and it's a double layer necklace. What is yours? So my third one.
The third one.
The third one. I had a pair of earrings in this one. And yours was a necklace.
Yeah, 16 inch to 18 inch. Again, 14 karat gold plated necklace.
I got a large pair of earrings, and
this is nickel free, lead free, made in China. Yeah, brand lifetime guarantee. So it's just a very pretty.
It's really pretty
chain, and you can obviously make it a little.
These have little stones in them. It's big, it's beautiful, and there's even really nice details on the kind of...
Maybe I should wear this right now. It is pretty.
And it's shiny, but it doesn't look cheap.
Right, it is very shiny, and it's also kind of heavy.
And I like that all the pieces are sterling silver, then they have some sort of premium plating on top, like rhodium or 14 karat gold.
Yeah, this is pretty.
That is really pretty. Yeah, after seeing what she got in her gold one, I wanted to buy a gold one. And I was thinking it would be fun just to buy like the gold and silver polished mystery ones to see what you get.
Right, it's such a good deal. I mean, for what, $60?
$60, you get 5 different pieces of jewelry, and you get the really pretty box.
Well, and also the little, not traveling cases, but the little pouches. Because they're not poor quality, you know.
No, yeah, they're definitely good. My next item in number 4 was a necklace, and it's the rhodium plated again. But this is almost, it's hard to see, but there's like these little stones. But it's just this really nice, shiny, big and bold kind of pendant. It's really pretty, and they have these little mini stones, and all of the jewelry pieces have these little triangles near the clasp that say Sterling Forever.
This is a 14 karat gold plated 16 and 18 inch, basically a dual necklace. It almost looks like a paperclip chain. And
like a small bead.
It's got a small beaded necklace. It looks very pretty on. It does sort of tangle when it's on, but I've worn it a few times. It drapes really nicely. Very nice. I would have bought this on its own, you know, for
right.
Practically $50. So
we'd each gotten a FabFitFun category choice as a $50 gift card, and so we were able to each pretty much just pay shipping and handling $5 or something. Right. And then for the final one, box number 5, I think we both. It looks like
it's actually might be the.
I think it's the same
product.
bracelet, but so mine is rhodium plated, and then yours is gold plated.
Mine is gold plated. I think it's same.
Is it the same?
It is. I took it. I took the little loops off earlier.
Oh, okay. So do you have this like big? No, it's a little bit different. So this looks really small. I have not tried this on yet. I would have to use an extender because it's a very small.
Yeah, it would be like this.
That's really cool. Like, it's very similar. So it seemed like what? 2 earrings,
1 bracelet,
2 necklaces.
And it was for normally what, $60? We got it for $50
for Mother's Day.
Yeah.
So overall, if you want a fun variety of jewelry that's high quality, but also has, you know, a reputation and they stand by their products.
Right, or like a guarantee, because